Today I'm going to show you how to make crispy, yummy onion rings in the air fryer. Let's get started. Down below in the description box you'll find a list of the ingredients and their amounts. I have 3 eggs, about a teaspoon of garlic powder, about half a teaspoon of salt, about a tablespoon of milk, about a half teaspoon of black pepper. I have 1 sweet onion. I have a half of a cup of cornstarch, half a cup of flour, all-purpose flour, and about a cup of panko breadcrumbs, or you can use the Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. And I'm just gonna make a little egg wash, and I'm just gonna add the milk to this. The milk is optional. You can use a little bit of water as well. It just helps to thin out the egg wash a little bit. Set this aside. This is half a cup of cornstarch, half a cup of all-purpose flour. Doesn't have to be exact. I'm gonna add my teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt. You can go down to a 1/4 teaspoon if you want. About a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix this up with a fork. All right, easy enough. Now let's cut up our onion. This is a large sweet onion here. I'm going to just take off the end here. And I usually just do a slit and just remove that first outer ring with the papery skin. And then we just cut this into rings, about a 1/4 inch wide, depending on how many you want to do. And then you can just push these rings out. And now we need to dredge these onion rings. So we begin with a ring of onion, okay? And we'll go in our flour. So put it in flour, the flour and cornstarch mixture, go into the egg here. Back into the flour. We're gonna double dip this thing. Get a nice coating. Back into the egg. Let the excess egg drip off. And then into these breadcrumbs. And then at this point, it's ready to go. If you want to deep fry them, you can deep fry them. But we're going to do the air fryer. All right, and once you have them ready to go, I'm going to take a little bit of olive oil, and I just put it in this little spray bottle. That way you don't have to worry about any propellants. I normally don't worry about that stuff, but I know some people do. So just get like a little spray bottle and put your olive oil in there. And the olive oil is not necessary, but it's gonna add a little bit of flavor and it's gonna help it to get extra crispy. So let's just go ahead and give this a good spray. Perfect. Set these aside. Okay, and I have my air fryer here. This is my Kasori air fryer. Love this thing. Just got this a while ago. I did a review of this if you wanna check it out. Super awesome. Then I'm going to preheat it. I'm just going to set it to 350 Fahrenheit, which is also 176 Celsius. If you don't have an air fryer that has a preheat function, then don't worry about it. And once the air fryer is preheated, I'm going to pull this basket out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my onion rings right in here in the basket. And then just spread them out in a single layer like that. And then inside the air fryer it goes. And then I'm gonna hit air fry. And I wanna adjust the temp to 350, which is 176 Celsius. And then I'm gonna set the time to 13 minutes. And then at the 7-minute mark, I'm gonna pull them out and check them, and then flip them over, spray them with some olive oil, and then cook it up the rest of the way. And when 7 minutes is up, I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna give these an extra spray of oil. Let's flip these over, but you wanna be pretty careful because you don't wanna lose any of that breading. And then I'm going to spray these again on this side. And then back into the air fryer that goes, and just for the rest of the time. Time is up. Yeah. Look at those. That is one amazing, crispy air fryer ring. So cool. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into one of these. Oh yeah, I'm gonna grab this one right here. Dunk it in some ketchup. Oh yeah. Mmm.